In this video, I'll go through the 11 basic Midjourney commands that you need to know. So the number one command is the obvious one. It's /imagine. If you have not used Midjourney yet, this is the main command that you use to generate an image. So you come to the text box and you type in /imagine, enter, and the text that you type in following this prompt will be the description of the picture that you want to generate. So I'm going to type in funny golden retriever portrait and hit enter. This will take about a minute. Okay, there we go. There we have the image. The next command that I will talk about is settings. So you type in /settings, enter. This is where you can adjust all the default settings. And if you're confused about all these buttons on the screen here, you could find a video that I will link to in the description that explains in details what all these buttons mean. In this video, we'll just focus on the basic commands first before we dive into the more advanced settings. Alright, so the next one is /help. So when you type in /help here, you'll be able to see all the basic helpful information about the Midjourney bot. When you type in /info, this shows information about your account and usage. So as you can see, I have a basic subscription and this is the remaining time that I have left. The next one is subscribe. So when you press subscribe, it generates a link to your account page. And this is where you can subscribe or cancel your paid plan. And this is my account information, and this is where you can make adjustments to your accounts. So next we have fast and relax. These two are related to each other. So when you press /fast, this switches to fast mode, and which is already the default processing mode. It's just the speed of which it produces the image. And when you enter /relax, it switches to relax mode. Inside the relax mode, jobs don't cost anything, but it takes much longer time to generate. Typically, it takes a few minutes, up to 10 minutes to generate an image. Next, we are going to do /show. With this command, you are able to reopen an old job to make any new variations or adjustments. So you would come to show, and then you would need to find the job ID of the image. So to find the job ID is simple. Come to any image, right click, and just press the envelope emoji. And after that, you'll be able to see the job ID right here, job ID. So you just copy this and then paste it here. Enter. And there we go. So it reopens the old job view where you can make further changes. So the next one is the remix command. So you can toggle on or off the remix mode. So the remix mode is where you can take the generation of the starting image and use it as part of the new job. So as you can see, anytime I type /remix, it turns on and off the prompt. So the next one is the public command, and anytime that you type in this command, it switches to public mode. So by default, Midjourney runs on the public mode. Since Midjourney is an open by default community, basically what that means is all image generations are visible at midjourney.com and it's open for everyone to see. If you prefer to make your image generation private, you can enter stealth mode, and that's /stealth. And when you do this, your images will not be visible to anyone. You can only do this when you're on the pro plan and when you generate the images inside your direct messages or on one of the private Discord server. Alright, so that was a list of Midjourney basic commands that we just went through. I hope that was helpful, and if it is, subscribe, and in the next video we'll go through the different settings in details, and see you in the next one.